States.
Attorney General commit a crime?
He lied to Congress. He lied to Congress. If anybody else did that, it would be considered a crime. Nobody is above the law, not the President of the United States and not the Attorney General.
Hey there, guys. Welcome to the channel. So Nancy Pelosi just surprised the entire House of Representatives, probably really her entire party. She just had to announce that she was subpoenaed in a criminal case. And this might actually be something that she should be very, very worried about. I'll explain what I mean in a minute. But guys, thanks to everyone that's been subscribing and leaving such great comments. Really appreciate you guys. And if you haven't already, please help us to continue to grow. Really means a lot. Like, comment, subscribe. Most importantly, share the channel. So yeah, Nancy Pelosi announced to the House that she had her documents and herself subpoenaed in a criminal investigation in her home state of California. So what does this mean? What does this matter? What could it be? Well, the rumor is that it is potentially the defense counsel for the unhinged homeless leftist that attacked her husband in their home. But there's actually something pretty interesting about it. So take a look at this.
Fox News alert, something very peculiar just happened on the floor of the House. Take a look.
This is to notify you formally, pursuant to Rule 8 of the Rules of the House of Representatives, that I, the Honorable Nancy Pelosi, Speaker Emerita and U.S. Representative for the 11th Congressional District of California, have been served with third-party subpoenas from the prosecution and the defendant to produce documents in a criminal case in the United States District Court for the Northern District of California.
So Nancy Pelosi is being subpoenaed in a criminal case. What criminal case? That person who isn't Nancy Pelosi wouldn't say. Could it be related to the hammer attack on her husband, Paulie P? Because that trial starts next week. Does it have something to do with her husband's DUI? Or is there something behind door number 3? Maybe a little insider trading. The son's shady business dealings. We don't know. We asked Pelosi's office to explain. They said no comment. But subpoenas aren't nothing, especially in a criminal case. It suggests there's something Nancy does not want to hand over voluntarily. You don't subpoena the willing.
Wow. So here's the thing. So my gut tells me that this is nothing to do with her husband's attack. In fact, I think it's pretty unlikely. Unless there's a part of that story that we just really aren't aware of, that the prosecution of that case would have to subpoena the actual victims of the case. It doesn't seem likely. Unless for some reason the state's case took them in some sort of direction that the Pelosi's just aren't comfortable with. So I don't know what that could be. You know, Jesse's probably honestly way off when he guesses that it could be related to the DUI. That case was buttoned up so fast, pled down to nothing, and it's over with. There's no bringing that case back in a criminal court, at least. It could come back in civil. But I think he may actually be onto something regarding the Pelosi's son. That's honestly where I'd put my money. The guy has been pretty intimately connected to 5 different companies that we know of that are in various stages of federal investigation, mostly for fraud. So we'll see where that goes, man. We'll see, where it goes for Pelosi especially. I'm guessing that, she will absolutely not be getting the George Santos treatment. I think that's fair to say. But anyway, I thought you guys would enjoy seeing this. That's just my take. That's what I think's going on. Let me know what you think's going on in the comments. And if you haven't already, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Most importantly, share the channel. We'll see you in the next one.